Hi, this is Kathy from Two in the Temple, and I'm here on a little mini vacation. And I just wanted to encourage you in a couple of things that came to mind today. It's so important to take time out, to chill out, to recover. So I just finished up a school year of piano lessons with 16 students, and we had this fantastic recital on the weekend, which of course required a lot of extra planning and a lot of extra work. And then the event itself just went great, but I just knew that after all of that work, I was going to need some downtime. So I want to encourage you that when you are working diligently on projects or at your job or taking care of your home, I just really want to encourage you to build in some downtime. I do know one course creator, teacher, who suggests that people who are able to, that have your own business, to do like cycles of 7 weeks at a time and then take 2 weeks off. I think it's at least 2 or 3 weeks. Now, I can't do that, but maybe you can find a way to either take some solid time off, some breaks, or you can find moments in your schedule, maybe even like a half a day. Is there a way that you could build in a half a day to just breathe, to get out in nature if you have some available where you live, and just to take some time for recovery and for your soul? And it's just so important. So I'm here at camp, and I even have my camp shirt on. I just really relish this place on the water that has belonged to my family since my dad built it, which is, I think, 54 years now, maybe. And sometimes we just need to escape and get away. So that's my encouragement. That's important self-care. It's also requires some boundary setting. Like, I just had to say no to a couple of things during this time slot. I wrote it into my calendar. You want to do that. Even if you're just taking a half a day off, schedule ahead, write it into your calendar and block it off and preserve it, just like it's an appointment that you're keeping with someone, and you're keeping it with yourself, right? And then find a way to just get away. You will probably have to say no to some things. You'll have to set some boundaries around what you're able to do or not do during that time, but it's just so important. So this is a beautiful place in Vermont, beautiful lake. We even have a nice island out here. We have some loons, and you know what? It's just important to be in nature and to regroup. So I hope that encouraged you. What are you going to do? What is your step of recovery that you're going to take this month or this summer? I'd love to know, actually. So it's Kathy Weymouth from ToTheTemple.com.